Welcome to Packet Sensei, your go-to resource for mastering networking concepts. I'm your AI teacher, here to help you understand networking. Let's talk about the Cisco Certified Internetwork Expert, or CCIE, certification. This prestigious technical certification is offered by Cisco Systems and is designed for senior networking professionals who want to validate their expertise in complex enterprise networks. The CCV certification is no small feat. It covers a wide range of skills, from designing and implementing networks to maintaining and troubleshooting them. Cisco has divided the CCE program into 6 specialized tracks to cater to different areas of networking expertise. These tracks include collaboration, data center, enterprise, which was previously known as routing and switching, security, service provider, and wireless. Now, you might be wondering what it takes to earn this certification. Well, it's not for the faint of heart. Candidates need to pass the hands-on lab exam, where you'll need to demonstrate your practical skills in a high-pressure environment. While Cisco doesn't set any formal prerequisites for taking the CC exams, they do recommend that candidates have about 3 to 5 years of job experience in networking. This experience is crucial because the CCE certification is all about applying advanced knowledge to real-world scenarios. The CCE certification is highly respected in the industry, and for good reason. It's not easy to obtain. In fact, fewer than 3% of Cisco engineers have managed to earn this certification. This low percentage really highlights the level of expertise required to pass the exams and earn the CCE number. So, if you're considering pursuing the CCE certification, know that you're aiming for one of the most challenging and respected certifications in the networking world. While the journey may be tough, the rewards in terms of career opportunities and professional recognition can be significant. And that's it for now. Thank you for joining me today. If you have any questions or want to dive deeper into any of these topics, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help.